This is the test bed with the three motors shown for automatic testing of motors up to 7.5 kilowatt. Now let's see the test bench. This is the test bench side view, and this is the front view. You have a monitor screen, and before that you have the laptop there, and then you have the indications, the indicating meters, and then you can see the test start, test stop, router accept reset button, emergency stop button. You also have the control on off selection right there. Now let's see how the test is conducted. Let me first explain you this. This is 88 motor test. The serial number you can see is 90. This is complying with the reference standard IEC. The rating of the motor being tested is 1.1 kilowatt, and it's rated for the voltage 230. And here it works in both the modes, semi-automatic as well as automatic mode. And what we are demonstrating here is the automatic mode in which this particular motor will be tested. You can see the routine test selected to be conducted automatically, or winding resistance test, obviously in cold condition. This is the no load test setup, high voltage test, the insulation resistance test, the no load test, the lock rotor test, the temperature rise test on no load, the reduced voltage test, the vibration test, the surge test. These were required by this particular customer for whom this test bench has been built. Now let's click on the start test button on this particular screen, and the moment we do that, we'll be in a position to see the motor getting locked automatically there, and then you'll be in a position to see on the screen the stator resistance measurement happening, the ambient temperature coming automatically, the three phases, the winding resistance is measured and the average comes automatically. Then the HV test is conducted, wherein you can see the applied voltage set at 200 volts in this particular case, and that also measurement for the leakage current has taken place. The third test being conducted automatically, one by one in sequence. All this happens. Surge test, and the surge voltage applied is also 200 volts in this particular case. And the meter that we have for the surge testing, whatever message is displayed on that particular screen of the meter is also captured on this particular testing screen of the computer, and the same thing you can see getting shown over here. Now we have completed the winding resistance test, the HV test, surge test is currently going on, and the result is shown as pass. And with these three tests have been completed, now it moves automatically to the next test, that is the reduced voltage test. You can see some noise coming over here, that's the motor running. Okay, motor running, you can see it over here, and everything gets captured automatically. And the no load test is all the measurements, you can see it over here, whether it is the percentage of voltage applied, various voltages, average, the current, and everything that you see. And then we have the next test, that's vibration test, for which that is also done. Lock rotor test happens, wherein the locking of the rotor will be in a position to see it over here. The rotor locking mechanism, automatically it happens. That is the way it is. And then you will be in a position to see the lock rotor test and starting torque measurement is being done. The applied voltage you can see, the current, the wattage, the total wattage, power factor, frequency,